Do you ever wonder how businesses bounce back after a cyber attack? It's all thanks to something called cyber recovery solutions. Today, we're going to delve into the world of Optiv's cyber recovery solution and shed light on its key aspects and how they help organizations to stay resilient in the face of cyber threats. One of the cornerstones of cyber recovery solutions is data protection. Optiv's solution ensures robust measures are in place to protect your critical data. This includes data backup, encryption, and the use of secure storage solutions. Think of it as placing your most valuable possessions in a high-security vault, safe from prying eyes and malicious intentions. Next up is the incident response plan. This isn't just a fancy term, but a well-defined blueprint that outlines the processes and procedures for detecting, responding to, and recovering from security incidents. It's like having a well-rehearsed emergency drill ready to go when disaster strikes. In the unfortunate event of a cyber incident, Optiv's solution ensures a quick restoration of systems to a pre-incident state. Regular and secure backups of critical data are made, akin to taking regular snapshots of your systems, ready to restore them when needed. Preventing lateral movement of threats within the network is crucial. Implementing network segmentation and isolation minimizes the impact of an incident. It's like placing barriers within your system, preventing threats from spreading. Just like rehearsing for a big performance, regular testing and validation of the recovery processes are fundamental. This includes tabletop exercises and simulations, ensuring that the organization can effectively respond to and recover from different types of cyber incidents. Optiv's solution incorporates automation to streamline and accelerate the recovery process. Automated responses, triggered by predefined conditions, help to contain and mitigate the impact of an incident. Cyber recovery isn't a one-team show. It often emphasizes collaboration among different teams within an organization, including IT, security, and executive leadership. Coordinated efforts are critical during incident response and recovery. The cybersecurity landscape is ever-evolving. Cyber recovery solutions should be continuously reviewed and improved to adapt to new threats and challenges. Optiv's cyber recovery solution aligns with regulatory requirements and industry standards for data protection and incident response. This is particularly crucial for organizations operating in regulated environments. Lastly, organizations often collaborate with cybersecurity vendors like Optiv to implement and maintain effective cyber recovery solutions. This could involve both technology solutions and professional services. In summary, Optiv's cyber recovery solution is a comprehensive strategy that encompasses data protection, incident response, backup and restoration, and much more. It's designed to ensure that organizations can swiftly and effectively recover from cyber incidents, staying resilient in a dynamic and challenging cybersecurity landscape.